In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Gmail account to HubSpot seamlessly. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your communication process, combining the power of HubSpot's CRM capabilities with your email communications. So, let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to head over to your HubSpot account. If you're not logged in already, make sure to do that. From your homepage, you want to navigate to something called the Trial Guide, which is where you can access all the functionalities you have with your trial or current subscription. You can find this by looking at the top navigation bar and selecting the appropriate option. For some people, it may be in a drop-down menu under Resources or something similar. Once you're in the trial guide, we can begin the actual process of connecting your email. Next, you need to access your settings. This is typically found in the top right corner of your HubSpot dashboard, represented by a gear icon. Clicking on Settings will open up a new page where all your preferences are listed. This section of HubSpot houses all the configurations you might need to adjust for your account. But for now, we're focusing on emails, so let's move on to that. In the Settings section, you'll see a menu on the left side with multiple options. Look for the option labeled Email and click on it. This is where we'll manage your email settings so you can connect your Gmail account to HubSpot. Once you've clicked on the email section, you'll see more options come up. Now, you should see a button that says Connect Personal Email. Click on this button. What this does is it allows HubSpot to access your Gmail account, enabling you to send, receive, and organize your email correspondence directly from the HubSpot interface. It's incredibly convenient, especially if you manage a lot of business communications and want to keep everything organized in one place. Moving on, you will need to click on Connect Your Inbox. This step involves a few permissions and authentications, which are all standard procedure when linking accounts. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, so be sure your Gmail account is ready to be linked. In the following step, you'll need to enter your email address. It's important that you input your Gmail address accurately here. Make sure there are no typos and that you're using the correct address you wish to integrate with HubSpot. Once done, simply click through the prompts. HubSpot will guide you through the authentication process, which ensures everything is set up securely. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've successfully connected your Gmail account to HubSpot, enabling a seamless flow of information between your email and CRM. By doing this, you'll enhance your productivity and keep your communications and data streamlined across platforms. Thank you for watching, and I hope your email management becomes a lot more efficient from here on out.